Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. And for this one, we are doing
Tortoise.
a tortoise. Here we go. Okay, easy. So we're gonna start with his eyes. So we're going to draw two nice little circles over here. You got that?
Yep.
Are we doing a little reflection? We can do that like we usually do. You know, I like to add a little reflection. And now we do little people. My reflections is kind of big in this one, but that's okay. Now we draw a little smile, just like that. Okay. Now I am going to draw his head. It's going to be rounded at the top, but a bit pointy at the bottom. So like that. Just a cute little head. He kind of looks like an emoji. And mine is gonna have 3 strands of hair on his head. Now it looks like a strawberry.
Why not?
So my strawberry head shoulders. Okay, so from here on we go down to the bottom, to the point at the bottom.
Yeah.
And we need to start the base of his shell. So we're gonna add little frills. So we're gonna do it like this. Equally spaced frills like that. Just about till the. You got it?
Yep.
Yep. Now we are going to draw the rest of the shell. So up here and draw a big bump and bring it down to the. So we're gonna draw a nice shell. Bring it down to there. That's right. Okay, so now he needs 4 legs and a tail. You know tortoises have tails, but you rarely see them. So draw a little foot, a fat foot, and we draw another one this side. Nice wide foot like that. Okay. We draw his stomach. So you're gonna see a bit of the base. So just finish this line up here, and you see a bit of the base of the tortoise. And we can draw lines coming down like that. Just beautiful lines like that. And now we add in the other foot there. And on this side, can draw a bit of the other foot that side, because it's on the other side of him,
Yep.
and just a snubby little tail. Now we do his claws, his toenails, just to make it look like his feet, and add it to each foot like that. Almost there, is it?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to draw another line just hovering here. It's just a wavy line hovering there. There we go. Now we need to draw the little soccer ball, pentagon, hexagon shapes. You know what a pentagon is?
Yeah.
You know a square has got 4 sides?
Yeah.
No, a pentagon is one with 5 sides. So tortoises, I think the shape on their backs is kind of like a pentagon. So just follow me. It doesn't have to be precise, but we're gonna make a point at the top. And we're gonna draw a line down the middle. And this side as well. Point at the top and a line down the middle. Point at the top, line down the middle, and you just point that one off the moment you get to the back of him. You got that?
Yep.
Okay, so now we draw lines going up from the points, and we draw more points on top of those, just a little further space. You see that?
Yep.
And then we repeat the process up here as well, just over there, up, and that we can shape is done. You can make little lines down here if you want to for the frills. But there, your cute little tortoise is done.
Yep.
Let me see yours. Here we go. Your tortoise is tall. That's the skyscraper tortoise. It's like a 4-story tortoise. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take the elevator up in that. He's inside his house. You can take the elevator up.
Oh.
Okay, easy. So there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our tortoise. So your tortoise is not gonna have little strawberry head. You don't want little hairs on his head? No, not really. Okay. Okay, time to color, everybody. So for this, you can go green, brownish green, or whatever color you want actually. So I'm gonna make his face green and his legs green, but each of these shapes inside his shell, we can do whatever we want with that color. Okay, here we go.
You got it to feel.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
that's how tortoises. So mine is a multicolored tortoise, and Faiz is more of a natural tortoise. His color is more in line with what you see in nature. Am I correct? Yeah, that's a tortoise. That's a very nice 4-story tortoise you've got there. Anyway, next time, what are we gonna do?
Spider-Man?
We're gonna draw a hero of some sort?
Yes.
Okay, next time we draw a superhero, we'll see what we do. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.